Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to make your phone's battery life longer. At the end of this video, I am going to share you some tips to save you battery life. Turn down the screen brightness. Go to your phone setting, click on display, you are going to see the brightness level. Reduce the brightness or set it to auto. Both Android and iOS give you options to turn down overall screen brightness even if you're also using auto brightness. Turn on the airplane mode. The downside is that you won't be able to make or receive calls or text messages or connect to the web, but it can be great to conserve your battery power for when you truly need it. I like to turn my airplane mode when I am watching a movie. Reduce the screen timeout. If you leave your screen on without using it, it will automatically turn off after a period of time, usually 1 or 2 minutes. Turn off phone vibration. Push the notification. On Phone Battery Saver, which will track your phone's performance over the course of a couple of days and analyze which apps are your battery's biggest foes. Turn off your phone location. Reduce push notifications for apps. Getting an instant notification when you have a new Facebook message or Twitter mention can be a great way to stay connected on the go. But if you receive a lot of them, your battery life will pay the price. Turn off the notifications, or limit them to the really important apps, i.e., not words with friends. Avoid extremes of heat and cold. If your phone gets very hot or cold, it can strain the battery and shorten its lifespan. Leaving it in your car would probably be the worst culprit if it's hot and sunny outside or below freezing in winter. Avoid draining your phone battery all the way to 0% or charging it all the way to 100%. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial worked for you, comment down below.